Hello, Ibrahim again with another video, and I'm gonna look at some curse trains that I already react to before, but now we're gonna do one again. 1 second. CORC. Why is the CSX? Why is it a CSX? Have you been in a different country without a CSX locomotive? Or am I just wrong? Because this is not how trains work. This is a super heritage unit, guys. It's mixed with Burlington Northern Seaboard System and whatever that is. Northern Southern. I can see the PC Penn Central bleeding through, and why is the lines long? CSX. Friction locomotive numbers. Because why are you playing pin the numbers? Because I see a 0 on the front. I've never seen that. LLPX. I had one job for your locomotive and you made it a giant monster. Oh my god. And why are the other windows painted? Oh, BNSF. Who graffitied your train? You couldn't repainted it. BNSF. What is this badge where I hate it? It's Burlington Northern FC, Santa Fe, and BNSF. Oh, Union Pacific. I have one job for your locomotive, and at the back, your catty train has another number. This is very weird. Oh my god. CSX. We could call the trains every time I see a CSX. We could call it CSX. Remember this train? This is it now. Just kidding. That's a fake photo. This is just not the same number. Yep. BNSF. What is this patchwork? Why is it the SF Santa Fe different train? I hate it. Oh wait. They put a BN and then the SF from the SF train. Wow. We love, we BNSF. Blue, Smurf. BNSF. No. This is another heritage unit because look at this. A little BN. This is a heritage unit. I'm actually confused. You remember the Railbees? This is it was before painted all gray, and this is it now. Plus, what is that? Union Pacific logo peeling through. I gotta only say, why is this a 6? Oh wait, never mind. I can only say, why is the number bleeding through? And why is it old rusty? CSX. You have one job for your locomotive, and what is this? You have 3 smoking things. And they have words? No. Oh, a strong distance central. More like Canadian National, because look at this. Bro, why is there a C and lead head up at the back? What is that? Oh my God. What are you doing with that train? What are you gonna make? A strong national or Canadian Central? Oh, BNSF. This is the last one. Why is this password work? Why is it BNSF only? Why is this SF? That's all. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Dang it.